Hello and welcome to this video on adding a printer. Now, before we start, I need to clarify something. There are many different brands of printers. There are many different types of printers. And unfortunately, the setup process or the install process for all of them are usually different in some way or another. So I'm just going to go over the basics here. So, printers. You can print out documents, pictures, and other important things to keep physically with you. So first thing is first, always read the instructions that come with it. So that's the main thing, since a lot of these are different. Reading the instructions is a key factor here. That way you know which order to do these things. So I'm going to tell you these in the general order that they're done, but again, remember, read the instructions first that came with the printer. So the first thing that you usually do is you install the software and drivers for the printer. So make sure that you install the software and drivers. Most printers have a disk or a website to download this from. So you might have purchased the printer from a store and it might come with a disk, and you just put the disk in your computer and it'll start to install the drivers for you. It'll probably ask you some questions first, so just follow the instructions as they come up on your screen. It's nothing to worry about, just answer the questions that it wants you to answer. So again, I'm going to tell you, read the instructions, because some printers may have you do this the other way. The other thing is connecting the wires. You plug your printer into the power and connect your printer to a USB port on your computer. So most printers will include a short USB cable to do this. Unfortunately, the cables usually are really short. So I have a USB cable here and two ends on them. And the rectangular end is the end that plugs into the back of your computer. Remember those USB ports. However, there's a different end that goes into the printer. It goes into a port that looks like this. It's more of a square or house-shaped type of port. So that's the end that would go into the printer. So you connect those both, one to the printer and one to the connector on your computer. Turn your computer on. Of course, you also have to plug it in. And if your drivers were installed correctly, it should install the printer. It may ask you to restart the computer, and then after that you should have a working printer.